Hi everyone, in this video we're going to turn this old saw blade into these card scrapers. Alright, so my plan is to pretty much make two different types of card scrapers. You've got your straight sort of rectangle shape, which is the most common, and then you have like a sort of curved shape which would normally be used for getting inside curves or roundovers and all that sort of stuff. So essentially what we're going to do is we're going to mark out where we want to cut out from the saw blade, and then we're just going to cut our shape using some tin snips. Now I'm not too worried about the edge that has been cut because we are going to file it down and make it all smooth and everything after. Alright, now I've got the basic shapes cut out. The round one doesn't look the best, but once we file it, we can get it to the shape that we want to finish with. So I'm using a machine vise here just to hold the piece up. You could just hold it or clamp it down to the table, but I'm going to use the machine vise because I have it here. So essentially all I'm going to do is I'm going to take my file and I'm just going to smooth out all the edges and refine the shape. And then what we need to do, so we just come along and clean up the edges, and then we're going to take it out, lay it flat, and just lightly go over the edges to get rid of the burr. So I'm going to do that to both scrapers, and then we'll come back and we'll talk about sharpening. Alright, so we've got our two card scrapers cut out. Hopefully you can see on camera. Hopefully that'll focus. But they're cut out and they're being filed. So now we need to sharpen them. Sharpening is pretty simple and pretty straightforward. You can buy special tools to do it. I like to just use a regular screwdriver. So I'm going to take my scraper and put it back in my machine vise and then use the screwdriver to sharpen it. Now come in a bit closer and I'll show you what exactly I'm going to do. So we're just going to take our screwdriver, we're going to come along the top, put pressure, downward pressure, and pull back. We're just going to repeat that over and over, and you can actually feel the burr shaping on the edge of the card scraper. So we're going to do that until we're happy with the burr, and then we are ready to use our card scraper. Alright, so that's it for this video. Hopefully you got something out of it. It is a pretty quick and simple afternoon project to turn a saw blade into card scrapers, and they work really well. So save yourself some money and make your own recycle instead of throwing it in the rubbish. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on any of my future videos, and I'll see you next time.